Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Wake Up and Live. This is Bob. As most of you know, I'm still struggling with recovering rather from eye surgery, so I am freestyling anything I'm doing. I have nothing really prepared, but this has given me an opportunity to talk a little bit about coronavirus directly. I've tried to stay direct away from direct conversations on coronavirus, but I just want to briefly say this much. The coronavirus is going to be with us for a very long time, and I have not seen anything that has drawn the confusion and enmity between well-meaning people and those not meaning well any more than this. This is the most triggering thing I've ever seen of any misinformation, any ill intentions, any discrediting of credible people. Rather, I've never seen anything as such. So I just want to say, the coronavirus started out as an epidemic, which means it has a epicenter. It started around a certain area. Then it became a pandemic, which means it panded out around much bigger than an epicenter. It's now coming from outside inwards and outside inwards and out and in and so forth. All right, and then last of all, the virus is going to become endemic to our society, which means it's going to be a part of us inside our circles as a perhaps a permanent setup. So we should stop assuming the worst of each other's intention. Um, Learn how we're going to live with this in a sensible, civil manner, because more than likely it is going to be with us for a long time. After most of this is quiet down a bit, many of us are going to feel very silly for the things that we've said. I think there's going to need to be some sort of reconciliation for all of that angry, vile, accusations and cynicism and suspicions that we've had of each other, and hopefully everything will settle down. But yes, it started as a epidemic. It became a pandemic, and we can expect it now to be endemic to our society. So please learn how to live with it. Let it not destroy our humanity or our love for each other. All right. Um, Thank you for watching. This is Wake Up and Live with Bob. And if you haven't yet done so, please like, share, and tell someone about my video. And turn on your notification. Hit the notification bell so you can tell when I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching.